Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to be well, I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. So pretty much I got one of these £3 from Poundland, and I got this as well, £5 from Poundland. So it's pretty much going to be going on like that. I'm going to be spray painting it in silver spray paint, the auto one, and I'm going to be glue gunning it onto the top of there, so it goes on like so. And what else I'm going to do, because I picked up these from Home Bargains today, so I can get them out. So they were £1.99, and I got one of these. Like, it has this bit, and like, yeah, so it was on and screwed on, but what I've done, I've took this out and then had it like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give it a spray paint and then put the flowers in, and then it'll be going inside. But like with the flowers, it'll be right at the top and that, so it will still look nice. So yeah, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with, I think I'm gonna spray paint this one first and then get spray paint in that. No, actually, I'll do it the other way around. I'll start spray painting them, and then I'll do that one last, because then while I'm doing that one, it could be in the middle waiting for that to dry. Right, so let's get cracking on with this. So first, guys, I'm going to start spray painting the bird cage bit. So let's get cracking on with this. We'll do a bit of distance away. I'm going to just go under the bottom of here. Right, so that's that one done. So I'll get started on the bottom bit in a minute. So I'm going to do this bottom bit now, quickly. Yeah. See, I'm leaving the top bit because I'm going to be using the glue gun on that bit. Right, so let's leave them to dry. Right, so I'm going to get started with the bottom bit of the mason jar first. So just do a quick bit there. Right, so leave that bit dry and then I can turn it over and start spray painting the rest of that. Right, so I'm gonna get spraying the other side now. Right, so wait for that one to dry now. Right, so that's the mason jar with the flowers done. That's looking nice. These are dry now as well, so I'm gonna be glue gunning it on now. Hopefully it goes all well. So I will. I've got my glue gun here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue gun it on and then show you what it looks like. Right, so this is what it looks like. It's nice and fancy. So if you like what you see, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and make sure you share, and I shall see you all next time.